Me and my girlfriend are gonna take this hour drive and we're gonna go to this Mercedes-Benz in Sarasota. I just gotta get this car appraised. I have something that I'm looking at.
30 in a couple seconds.
Yeah, it's just a matter about timing right now. If the second trade idea comes upon at the 4-hour gap, I will watch it. As you guys know, I'm heavy on the daily routine, heavy on the daily non-negotiable tasks. Back to back, got the blue Benzo and got the yellow Porsche. I gotta go to the gym every day. Gotta post content every day. Gotta give value in VIP every day. Let's get the cold start. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, and welcome back to another video. Let me make sure this microphone is not cooked on. But welcome back to another video. Today's a new day. Today, guess what? I got a lot planned as I'm about to continue getting out of this parking spot because right now it is approximately 9:18 in the morning, right? I'm leaving the crib at 9:18 in the morning, which is very unusual for one, very unusual. But today's about to be a different day. I got a lot planned. Today could end up being a very eventful and a great day, or it could be an okay day. And what do I mean by that? So first things first, I'm about to go take my car to get washed. I'm about to clean this whole entire car for a specific reason. I need this car to look immaculate. I need it to look as best as possible. I need it to look as clean as possible so that I can get it appraised, right? Because after I get the car cleaned, I'm gonna head my way back over to the crib, and then I'm gonna be driving about an hour away. Me and my girlfriend are gonna take this hour drive, and we're gonna go to this Mercedes-Benz in Sarasota. So with that being said, that's all I gotta really say about that. I think you guys can get the idea of where I'm going with this, but nothing is for sure, nothing is guaranteed as of right now in terms of what I think is gonna happen, but I just gotta get this car appraised. I have something that I'm looking at. It may not be what you guys think, but I think it is something smart, and yes, it is an upgrade nonetheless. So we're gonna see. To be honest, like I said, today could either be a great day or it could just be another average day. I don't want to have no expectations today because it's one thing to have expectations in trading, but never have expectations in life either, because if they're not met, it could just lead to a bunch of emotions that could affect you and your trading. You understand? But when I'm going to get this car cleaned, I'm about to get it cleaned at this place that they do it for me. So I got my laptop in my bag and I got my AirPods. So I'm going to try to get up over there. We got 10 minutes and then I'm going to hop on the VIP call, see if we see any trades or anything. So yeah, the job is not finished. The work is always going to be here nonetheless. I don't care if I'm about to go look at a car. Job starts to be done. We got a couple minutes till 9:30. If we could retrace to around this 360 area, I definitely think price can get a little short sell-off. But I'm about to be at this place. Got to get this car detailed. I got my laptop though.
30 in a couple seconds. Let's see. I don't see nothing yet.
Yes, just gotta keep waiting right now. It looks like 9:30 looks like we should get this retracement. I'm gonna be waiting for it. But I like these sells with about a 50-point stop. If we can come up and fill in that 1-hour gap. The 1-hour gap, once that gets filled, which is we good. Oh my God, that shit start falling immediately. Not what I want to see, but I'll give you time. Right now, I either think when price closes, we're gonna close bearish at 9, and we're either gonna have a retracement at 10 to keep dropping, or we're gonna have the push to the 4-hour gap up there. That guy would drop. But regardless, I'm looking for more shorts. It's just a matter of which one's gonna play. But I'll be able to take both. Best case, I get new trades on. But we'll see. Yeah, it's just a matter about timing right now. I like shorts. It's just a matter of playing. Like if it keeps holding this gap, I'll watch the shorts here. But like I said, I'll be willing to have another second trade at the top at the 4-hour gap if this one doesn't want to apply. I want to get my car appraised and everything too. So worst case scenario, today I'm just going to get my car appraised and then I'm going to test drive the other one and get some content. So yeah, but I mean, I'm about to watch these shorts right here at this 1-hour gap because I'm about to see worst case. Like I said, I'm willing to take another trade at the 4-hour. But we about to see what's up, but only because I gotta go right now. All right, I'm on the balcony right now. Just got back to the crib. We are in US 30 shorts. I was in a little bit of profit, but right now I'm at break even. But I showed you guys in the car. But like I was also saying in the car, I got to get ready to go to Sarasota. So I'm about to take a shower, get everything packed up real quick. Just like my camera stuff, my bag and everything in terms of recording equipment. Probably bring my laptop just because I'll probably have my girlfriend drive on the way back. Matter of fact, if we get anything good, she's not driving on the way back. So I don't know. I don't know about the laptop. But nonetheless, it's time to get the day started. I don't want to be watching this trade. I just kind of want to let it do what it's going to do. I have a wider stop loss on this than I usually do just to kind of make sense of it. But nonetheless, if the second trade idea comes upon at the 4-hour gap, I will watch it. All right, so we just got done here at the Mercedes-Benz of Sarasota. So, plot twist to the stories. That car specifically, the price wasn't bad or anything. The price was normal, but apparently the car has so much stuff wrong with it right now that they can't even get it to drive. Ain't that some shit? So yeah, that was mission failed. But I talked to one of the people here. He said that I can probably get some cars taken to this specific Mercedes or even the Mercedes in Tampa that are in, say, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Naples, so I don't got to actually travel to it, so they could bring it over. I could test drive it, kind of see it. So that's something I may look into, but looks like the car gets spared another who knows how long. But now we're about to go somewhere in Sarasota while we're here before we got to get back on this long drive. So mission failed, but on with the day.
Starters with them. So my max payout a week is $3,600 on the account until I get either $18,000 in payouts or 30 wins.
So it counts per account or for everything? Like you said, 30 something hundred. That's on all the accounts or per account?
It's per account.
So what's your max with total? So it'll be 30, whatever that is, times 2 if it's on your 250Ks?
So if it's my 250, yeah, if it's my 250K, it's 3,600 times 2. So I'm getting next week. I'll get a payout but you have to have the 5 winning days of $300 for the 150K. So you got to have at least, obviously above 300.
Is it 300 for every account size?
No. 50K is 100, and then 100K is 200.
200. Copy.
So,
Damn, isn't it on Top Step? Isn't Top Step is 200 for all of them?
Yeah, it's for all of them.
I like to drive to 75, don't have tolls.
No tolls?
75, I also don't know tolls.
All right, we in the car, and as you could probably see right now, you probably already know what I'm in. But just know, I gotta get a drive on. I gotta waste 30-minute drive back to the crib, which is gonna be a little annoying, but you know what? When there's a will, there's a way. But yeah, so far it's definitely a thorough car. I already know what car this is. I've been in it before. So yeah, just gonna enjoy the ride. Like I said, I got a 30-minute drive, and then I'm gonna get this back to the crib, and we got some work to do. Let's get this Q&A started. Ask me anything, money, mindset, trading, all the above. What up, gang? How you doing, Tobias? How y'all doing? Advice on starting YouTube. Just start. The best advice is going to be just start. Pick up that camera, start recording. Pick up that camera every day. I don't care how bad you are on camera. Just pick it up and start uploading. That's the only way you're going to get better. Where do you get the music for YouTube videos? I get it from YouTube. I get my music from YouTube. Any advice on fighting depression but still trying to chase that dream life? You can't let depression get in your way. If you're going to let depression get in your way, then you're not going to be able to make it, because your feelings are always going to be there. If you let something such as depression get in your way, then that's just you. It's you versus you. You got to get out your own way. What's your advice on managing risks? Just manage risk. I mean, I'm not sure what you mean by advice on managing risk. I mean, keep losses small. Make sure your wins are significantly bigger, at least 2 to 3 times bigger. Have a good risk to reward. Unless you have any questions specifically, I mean, it'll kind of be a little hard to answer that. How many trades do you take a day? I will take 3 max in a day. Meaning, if I have a losing trade, or no, let's say I have a winning trade, I won't take no more trades. Let's say I have a break-even trade and then a loss. I'll be willing to take a 3rd trade. But if I have 2 losses are my max for any given day. 2 losses is the max. You the truth? Not yet. Not yet. How do I get over my relationship? She played trying to lock in, gang, but it's been hard. If you're worrying about someone that played you, then, I mean, that in itself, you just got to stop caring. Worry about something that's going to actually benefit you. You use any indicators for your study? No, I don't use any indicators. You trade options? No, I don't trade options. When you first started learning, did you use the replay feature on TradingView? Yeah, I used it. It's not going to really make or break your trading, but it's a cool little option to have. What's up? What's up? What's up? How you doing? Do you say TP and stop loss in your community? Yeah, I show the whole trade. I mean, I show literally everything live. Everything that I'm seeing, y'all will see. But it's not just for signals. I wouldn't join just for signals. It's not going to benefit you if you're just looking for just signals. Taxes? What about them? How can I get over my ex? Focus on something else. Just stay busy doing other stuff. Stop worrying about somebody that's not worrying about you.
All right, team, we back in the crib and everything. I think I'll probably put some clips from the live that I did on Instagram. I went on Instagram live after I dropped my girlfriend off at work. It was in the car too. I just gave some crazy value. It was like 30 minutes. I just sat in the car for 30 minutes, literally just sitting there giving value as I always do. So I'll probably give you a couple minutes of some game. But overall, my day is coming to an end, but I still got to go to the gym. Even if I get the shit done late in terms of my daily non-negotiable tasks, because as you guys know, I'm heavy on the daily routine, heavy on the daily non-negotiable task. And what do I mean by that? I got to go to the gym every day. Got to post content every day. Got to give value in VIP every day. Got to give value on Instagram and YouTube every single day. So even if I get it done later than I should, even if it's a morning post, even if it's a middle of the day post, a nighttime post, I got to get these daily non-negotiable tasks done no matter what. And as of right now, I have a checklist from what needed to be done this morning. Let me go into it. Let me hold myself accountable. So get the car. So let me just show you. This is literally all the things that I told myself I had to do. So in terms of get the car, which was go get the rental, done. Gym, gotta go gym still. I did live, went to my girlfriend's break. A new reel, that is actually what I'm doing right now. So I'm creating the new reel as we speak. So that's gonna be getting done in a second. After the reel, Target, I went to Target and start to edit. I did start to edit. I started to edit inside of the Uber, and I'm gonna finish editing here. So as of right now, the 2 last things that need to be done out of the list I just showed you is the gym and that reel. And I'm gonna get that reel done right now. And then you know what that means? To the gym week. All right, team. So there was a guy in the gym, but he just left, but I'm listening to Coach Kyle as always. I always recommend you guys to continue educating yourself. I don't care where you are in your journey. Continue to educate yourself, because that's gonna be the only way you continue to improve. You guys are probably wondering where the weight's at. I'm just trying to get this set up right. I ain't gonna lie, before I put any weight on it. This shit, oh, it's all the way at the end already. That's why. But yeah, because at the end of the day, I'm educating myself on a daily basis. There's no way I'm gonna continue to make videos on a daily basis. There's no way I'm gonna continue to give value on Instagram lives, VIP lives, if I'm not continuing to learn more information. because I only know so much. I'm only 22 years old. I'm not some 50-year-old that's been around for 50 years, learning different things, losing a whole lot of money, trying different things. I'm only 22. I've only really got a lot of my experience in terms of money, mindset, trading, and all of that from when I was 17 years old. I have a lot to learn. Just because I have a lot to teach doesn't mean I don't also have a lot to learn. I want to be able to get to the position where I have Bugattis, where I have $1 million watches. I'm not going to get there knowing what I know now. I obviously don't know something if I'm not in the position I want to get. And that's the mindset you got to have. It's not going to be easy, but guess what? There's nobody in the gym right now. So me doing this is indirectly, not even indirectly, me doing this right now is directly making me better than everyone else because I'm willing to do what they want. Except for the guy that just left. Shout out to him. But without all the yapping, let's get straight to the workout. I'm gonna put some weights on here, use this for some shoulder presses, and yeah, get to the full body workout. Let's get to it. I was just listening to this podcast. I'm on my way to the cars right now. I'm about to go get my girlfriend from work. My night's coming to an end. And look at the cars back to back. Got the blue Benzo and got the yellow Porsche. I'll give you guys a little cold start real quick. Come on, car, what you doing? Open. Move this. This is the temporary parking because in my car, I have like a thing up top to get in, but I don't have it for this car. But let's get the cold start. Put it in sport.
We're fun and to get my air and instant.
But yeah, so like I said, it's about that time. My night's coming to an end. For the most part, only thing I gotta do tonight is get the vlog edited, and then I gotta go get some food. I don't know what I'm gonna get food, but I'm gonna fight for a Bahama Breeze. So wish me luck with giving a Bahama Breeze. I'm about to go get my girlfriend. It's been an eventful day. We got a little finesse when it came to looking for the AMG, but it's all good. We got a Porsche that we're in right now. It's not my Porsche, but I can pretend like it is for now, and I'm gonna enjoy it. So with that being said, I'm gonna stop the yapping. If you wanna learn how to trade, the free trading concepts, free trading systems, check out the free trading course and the free trading webinars. It'll teach you everything that I use on a daily basis for completely free. And if you want to get access to the live trading sessions, like the one you guys saw earlier, join VIP. With that being said, have a great day. I'm about to get speedy on them.